Place the wooden piece numbering 1 on the floor. Put wooden dowels in all wooden holes, cam locks in large wooden holes. Then attach cam screw in all the holes with white rings. Attach part 2 to part 1. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Then attach part 3 to part 1 as shown in the figure. Fasten up the cam locks. Then attach part 4 to part 1 using wooden dowels as shown in the figure. Fasten up the cam lock. Attach part 5 to part 1 and tighten up the cam lock. Cam lock. After that, attach part 6 to part 1. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Attach part 7 to part 1 and tighten up the cam lock. Cam lock. Attach part 8 to part 2, 3, and 7 and tighten up the cam lock. Turn the structure and place it straight. Attach part 9 to part 8 and tighten up the cam lock. Attach part 10 to part 8 and tighten up the cam lock. Attach part 11 to part 9, 10 and tighten up the cam lock. Cam lock. Attach part 12 to part 11, 10, 8 and 1 as shown in the figure above.